Well, Jordan, 3 points in the bag, which is what the goal was. But is there an element of frustration at the performance and perhaps the lack of goals tonight against Liechtenstein?
These teams are always really tough to break down. Obviously, we scored early and it got disallowed. I think if we get that goal, then we push on and get more. But getting that first goal is always tough against these teams. They make it hard. They sit in a block, and we have to track them down with different patterns of play. And yeah, we were able to get that first goal in myself, and I felt that again we controlled the game for 80% of the game. So no, we're pleased with the win. We obviously know that the fans want goals. We want goals and goals and goals, but sometimes the game doesn't go like that. So we take the 3 points because that's what's the most important.
One goal in it, and it came to you, your first goal for Wales as well. Just talk it through it. Dan and Nico as well, combining beautifully, and then it was yours to do the job in the end.
Yeah, we work on getting it wide and the amount of players we have to try and get in the box, and I was able to get in there at the right time, and it fell to me perfectly. I couldn't miss, so they're the best goals. I'm sort of bringing that into my game this season, both at Leicester and now obviously scoring today is a real proud moment.
And not to end on a negative, but then a yellow card, meaning you won't be available for selection on Tuesday night. How frustrating is that, considering it's such a huge game?
Yeah, obviously I'd love to play, but we've got a good enough squad to win the game. There's no doubt about that, so I'll be cheering the boys on from the sideline, but it's disappointing, but I don't think about that when I'm on the pitch. I just play my game, and obviously I got the yellow card quite late, which is disappointing, but we're gonna win next Tuesday, and that's the aim.
Jordan, thank you. Diolch.